Fabric and textile bags dry, Miarti sewing patterns. Double top stitch the top and bottom hems on a sewing machine with 2 parallel rows of stitching. Take the second floral print fabric piece, 23 by 20 centimeters, and press the top raw edge under by 1 centimeter, then 3 centimeters. Double top stitch the top hem of the smaller pocket piece on the sewing machine. Lay out the main fabric piece, mark 8 centimeters down from the top and bottom edges, and place the pocket piece along the markings. Position 2 grosgrain ribbons, 90 by 2.5 centimeters, for handles along the main piece, covering the pocket edges, and pin. Stitch the grosgrain ribbons in place to secure the handles and the outer pockets. Pin and stitch a decorative, handmade label centered near the top edge of the bag. Prepare the purple fabric piece, 40 by 25 centimeters, fold it in half, and stitch the top edge with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Turn the purple pocket right side out, top stitch the edge, and repeat the process for the second pocket. Lay the main fabric wrong side up. Mark 8 centimeters from the edges and pin the purple pockets in place. Take the bottom panels, 35 by 14 centimeters, cut from the main fabric, and press their long edges toward the center. Align the bottom panels with the short raw edges of the main piece. Fold the raw edges under and straight stitch in place. Fold the side edges of the main piece inward and secure with a straight machine stitch. Fold the shopper bag wrong sides together and secure the side raw edges with sewing clips. Edge stitch along the side edges on the right side of the bag. Turn the bag inside out and clip the side seams to prepare for the French seam. Enclose the raw edges by stitching the side seams from the wrong side on the sewing machine. Box the bottom corners of the bag. Measure and mark 4 centimeters from the corner and secure with clips. Stitch across the bottom corners on the sewing machine to create depth. Tack the boxed corner seam allowances to the interior side seam with a few hand stitches. Turn the bag right side out and gently push out the bottom and corners. Showcase the finished, spacious textile shopper bag, 28 by 25 by 5 centimeters.